Hi everyone, today we're going to draw a cute cupcake.
That's right, we're going to draw a really nice yummy cupcake. And Summer, what's our favorite thing is about cupcakes?
The icing and the cherry on top.
The icing and the cherry. We're going to do a nice chocolate cupcake with some strawberry icing and a cherry on top. But the really fun thing about cupcakes is you can decorate them however you like.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes.
Hope you all follow along. What do they need for our drawing today? We need
We
our...
need our Sharpies, paper and alcohol marker.
And our alcohol markers. But you can always draw with whatever you like to draw with. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's do this nice yummy cupcake. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is going to start with the base of our cupcake. Alright, so the first thing we're going to start with is we're going to draw the base of our cupcake, and we're going to do two lines, slightly going a little bit outwards. So we can do maybe two reference points. So if we do a reference point here, maybe there. So down a little bit more, inside a bit more, about here. That's good. And then let's do another reference point about here. A little, yeah, about there, that's good. Great, and then let's do two more reference points just above them. And then that's a little bit too high, that's a tall base, so maybe about here. And then another one about there. Good job. And what we're going to do is we're going to join these two lines together. So we're going to join this one to that one and this one to there.
Okay.
Let's go draw a nice straight line.
A little bit of curve.
And do a little bit of curve, but we are going to curve here at the bottom. So let's, because this is the bottom of our round cupcake, we're going to draw a line across to that one with a bit of a curve. So we can...
We don't need to eat the wrapper.
We don't, but we're going to draw it with the wrapper on anyway.
Yeah.
Because they look super yummy.
We'll get sick if you eat the wrapper.
That's right. Keep going. Good job. And now let's join with the same curve at the top here. So down, around, and back up.
It looks like someone's back is just like straight.
It looks like a big smile to me.
Yeah.
Alright, you can see if you can draw that line for me. Excellent job, I like it. Alright, let's draw our cupcake's really cute eyes next. So we're going to draw a nice big circle on either side. Or do you want to start with the mouth first?
I'll just start with the mouth.
Alright, let's start with the mouth then. So we can draw a different expression. We can draw smiles or a funny face. What would you like to do?
Yeah, I want to do a funny face.
A funny face?
Yeah, we don't need to copy each other.
No, you can draw whatever face you like. I'm going to draw a nice open mouth. I'm going to draw a line like this. And then I'm going to come down. And then I'm going to come back up. Oh, you've got a nice cute tongue. Very good. I'm going to draw a tongue too, but just inside. Good job. You ready for the eyes?
Yeah.
Let's draw the eyes. So we're going to draw a nice big circle next to our mouth. I'm going to draw his right eye.
That's so ginormous.
Yeah, we're going to draw nice big ones. And draw the left eye. Great work. And let's give our cupcake some nice cute highlights. Good job. And we'll color in our eyes. Okay, super cute face, super fun face, super happy face. We're gonna do the top of our cupcake next, our favorite part. Okay, so on this side, yeah, we're gonna extend this line a little bit, make it a little bit longer just over here. Not a straight line, but just follow the line out. That's it, very good. And then we're gonna draw kind of like a letter C, like a cuff for cat. It goes up and in.
It looks like it has a bakery hat.
Yeah. A baker's hat. Awesome. And now we're going to draw another curved line, just like we did for this one and that one. We're going to draw another one in here. So we can go down.
Maybe you can do like the icing melting.
You can draw the icing melting. I've already drawn my icing. You can draw it melting if you want to. Good idea. It's a lot of melting. Good job. All right, now I'm gonna straighten this up for you. Now we're gonna draw the first sort of part of our icing, and we're gonna draw a line that comes up and comes back in. Goes up a bit, comes in. Very good. Let's draw another one. And another one. Good job.
It's like doing a ballerina, I think.
Yeah, you have got lots of icing on yours. It looks super yummy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to draw a little line over here where our cherry's going to go. And so we're going to draw a line kind of like this. And down.
Okay.
Yes, just doesn't have to join anything. Very good. And then we're going to draw a nice big circle for our cherry. So we're going to go around. And down. Great job, good circle. Now we can draw our little cherry stem sticking out.
You can draw two sticking out if you want to.
You can draw two if you want. And you can draw a little line under our cherry stem, just for a bit of detail. That's right, or we can draw highlights with our coloring pencils. But that's right, that's really good. So let's finish up the icing just behind our cherry. Now we've got some super yummy icing. And we can draw a line coming back in this way. And back in this way. It doesn't have to join anything, just a little bit of details. Because we're going to do some sprinkles on ours.
Yeah, I'm going to do a little wavy one.
Very good, I like it. Alright, you ready for some sprinkles? Yeah. Okay, we're going to draw some circles. And we can draw them slightly different sizes. So we can draw a circle like that. And try to space them out in different places. And draw them a little bit bigger. And some a little smaller. So we can get lots of different sprinkles. And we're going to color these with different colors. Because we like nice colorful sprinkles.
They're going to be rainbow.
Have you got enough sprinkles? Good job. You got so many. All right. I'm not going to do too many. I'm just going to do a few. Maybe one more there. And that is our super cute cupcake. Amazing job. High five. Did you have fun with that?
Yeah.
And now it's time for our favorite part, which is
coloring.
Coloring. We're going to fast forward through our coloring, so you can always pause and see what colors we use. But the fun thing about this is you can use whatever colors you like. We like strawberry flavored icing, but you can use chocolate flavored or bubblegum or whatever you like. Yeah. You ready to go?
Yes.
Let's color in our cupcake. Well, Summer, we have done some super cute cupcakes. What do you think?
Yeah.
They look super yummy?
Yum.
Yeah, and you did different colors. You did some, what flavor is this?
Bubblegum.
You did a bubblegum flavored one. I did a chocolate one, but we both have some strawberry icing.
Yeah.
Great job. High five for you. Boom. Yum, yum, yum. Are you hungry now? Yes. I'm sure your cupcakes are just as cute. And thanks for following along with us. And remember, if you liked our drawings, give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you
next time
on the next video. Bye, everyone. High five. High five you. Well done.